sleep with any of the men in these journals, then how come it says bed on the cover? Oh, I didn't say bed. Right there it does. Oh, silly, those are my initials. Blanche Elizabeth Devereaux. Your initials spelled bed?
Bed. That's pretty funny.
Don't pee up here.
Yeah, don't pee.
No, come on over here.
And go bite the blankie again.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. It says right there, you slept with a traveling salesman. In fairness, it says that on our license plate. Oh my God. There, Chuck. A traveling salesman.
They bite hard, Daddy.
Well, that must be him.
Yeah, they bite real hard.
Oh, Rose, I'm so sorry. I did. It's right there in the diary. I must have.
You gotta go potty?
With your husband, Charlie.
Think so?
I don't know.
If they make a lot of more noises, then I don't know.
I don't know which one went through. That's the bad part.
That's all for
Yeah,
you
you
two.
could lay there and chew. Yeah, chew on the blanket. Yeah,
Yeah, join the blankies.
good job.
Aww.
Not you.
Aww.
Come on.
She just stop it. Just stop it. She said, yay, more biting time.
Yeah.
Oh, she wants to try to get up there.
No. Don't bite her tail. Don't bite her tail. That hurts.
It does?
No. There you go.
How do you get me? Your doctor orders me, and I deliver directly to your doorstep. There's no need for time off or special prep, because I use the DNA in your stool to find colon cancer. Then you just go. I make collect your sample. Then I'm gone. Just ship me to the lab.
Where are you going? Where are you going, good girl?
Cologuard is not for high-risk individuals, including those with a history of colon cancer or polyps, IBD, certain hereditary cancer syndromes.
Yeah.
That was a fart.
Huh?
That was a fart. Aw, perfect. And plus, I think that was also a car. There.
Where's Amy outside?
Yeah, she's outside. I let her out.
Don't bite her.
They're just playing around, Daddy. No big deal.
They're biting too hard.